Around the year 2000, I was so excited to get cable internet at home. Let's talk about how it works. The formal name for this architecture is Data over Cable Service Interface Specifications, or DOCSIS. I think this is best explained by starting from the edges and working inwards. On the left, we have the service provider, which includes an access router or possibly an aggregation router from the previous clip. The link between the router and internet collapses other parts of the giant topology from the previous clip for convenience. On the right, we have a customer site with some computers, just like my childhood home from decades past. The carrier router connects to a Cable Modem Termination System, or CMTS. This is an aggregator of connections from cable subscribers and is usually quite large. To communicate with the CMTS, the customer must supply a cable modem. Some customers buy their own from their local tech shop, while others may be carrier provided. New DOCSIS specifications are developed as the technology matures, and the versions of DOCSIS must match between the CMTS and the cable modem. Before connecting the CMTS and the cable modem, think about why people wanted to use cable lines for internet in the first place. It's because many households already had cable TV installed. Businesses and governments already made the infrastructure investment, so why not leverage it? The provider has TV feeds from multiple sources, such as satellite and broadcast, while the customer has a TV set. In summary, the carrier has multiple devices offering services that the customer wants to consume. The various input sources at the carrier feed into a combiner, allowing all the signals to pass over a single coaxial cable. The physical cabling is then distributed across the city and enters your home through a single point. I still remember my old computer room with the cable coming in through the wall and a splitter immediately following. One of the lines went to the downstairs TV, while the other went to our cable modem. Notice that the TV signals never traverse the CMTS or cable modem. The TV systems are entirely independent, which makes sense because the cable internet was added after the fact. As a minor point, consider that carriers don't want just anyone buying a cable modem and connecting to their CMTS. For that reason, providers will often perform authentication for paying customers, then use Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, or DHCP, to issue IP addresses to user devices. Note that some cable modems have an integrated router, in which case the router would receive the carrier's DHCP address, but this is product dependent.